Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Hi, how are you? Wagwan. Wagwan. Just really wagwan. Yeah, I'm in my tie head today. My scarf, whatever. Head tie, whatever you want to call it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicola, your Jamaican naturalista, hair guru and good vibes spreader. Yes, welcome to my channel. Here we have fun and do hair. What about this head tie? It's that there's a hairstyle underneath it, but you need to watch this video right through to the end to see what it is. Even though it might say a little bit on the thumbnail. Yeah? Watch it to the end. And if you're new, let me tell you something. Come here.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe and hit that post notification bell so that you are notified whenever your girl drops a video. Which, you know, sometimes it kind of take long for you to do. Sometimes you do it very recent. Often rather. So yeah, please hit that post notification bell, subscribe, like, comment. If you're new here, say hi down below and I'll be sure to share the love. Yeah, and share it to send it to your friend, your sister, your brother, your uncle, cousin, nephew. Yeah, send it to everybody and watch this video right through to the end. I'm done talking. Hi. I'm back. Yeah, you're back too, dog. And I'm wearing another pair of my mom's earrings. Yeah, I didn't need to tell you, but yeah, these are so cute and they're not mine. So I had to say, guys, okay, you can tell though, you can tell some feel good, some feel nice, some feel cute, and then some of them because you know your style at it. In art. It at man. This hairstyle is giving me all-time dance all vibe. Shocking, yeah girl. Come out now, tight up stocking. What's your hairstyle? Oop, I lost an earring. But yeah, in all honesty though, guys, please just tell me what you think down below in the comment section. Like, be honest, if you've come this far, and even if you saw, you know, the thumbnail, or you just skip through and come at the end here, so instead of hairstyle, tell me what you feel about it. You know, regardless of me not having so much edges anymore, I don't know where they're going. My hair looks good. Like this part, I wanted the smaller sections to be more defined, like for it to look like feeding braids, but I didn't get that, you know, just on the first one. But that is okay. It looks neat to me, and I feel accomplished in what I was going for. You know, I rate myself a 7 out of 10 for this look. Let me know how much you rate me down below out of 10. 10 being hottest girl, yeah, and 1 being she not go with nothing. But yeah, let me know, mama know, God know, me not lie. Let me know if me go on like, oh, COVID, I go on to Jamaica. Yeah, she I go on art. We don't like she, but yeah. So of course, you know, there's going to be a video on top showing you what it looks like. Yeah, but guys, please let me know what you think. What I did, remember when I said, you know, I have an idea, I was mouthing in the camera. What I did was, instead of making 1 braid, I divided the hair into 5 smaller braids, so it looks like the braid is actually coming from these braids at the front. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so that's enough yapping. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to let me know what you think down below. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. And please follow me on Instagram at Nikki_Welsh, so that you'll see whatever else I do to my hair. I do see some nice photos too, because girl, I've gone with things. Yeah, I'll see you next time in the next video, which I'm trying to keep them coming, but life happens. I love you guys. Walk good, live, love, laugh, and spread good vibes. Peace. Mwah. Oh, don't go anywhere. Watch these 2 videos right here. Yeah man, them come up long time. Watch them.